Vince Zampella has died, legendary game creator, co-founder of Call of Duty and titan of gaming, gone at 55 in a fiery car crash on Angeles Crest Highway. Born in Los Angeles, Vince turned his love for games into a global empire, co-founding Infinity Ward, creating Call of Duty, then Respawn, giving the world Titanfall and Apex Legends. But fame couldn't shield him. Speeding along the winding mountain road in a red Ferrari, he veered off after exiting a tunnel, slammed into a concrete barrier, and the car erupted in flames. Life ended in seconds. Tributes poured in worldwide. Rest in peace, Vince.